Back in April, we ran a 24-hour live stream on my birthday to raise money for COVID-19 relief, with a series of fundraising goals we'd hoped to reach. Then all of you worked your perpetual magic and blew us away with your goal-shattering generosity in the first 3 hours alone. Seriously, thank you so much for that. So at the moment that happened, we scrambled to come up with some new stretch goals. One of them, which you also blew right by, thanks again, was for the EC crew to play a D&D one-shot over on our Twitch channel, DM'd by Arthur, our phenomenal community manager. So we wanted to let you know that the time for you to reap the benefits of your incredibly good deeds is nearly nigh. After a few months of digging out a dungeon and ethically sourcing dragons, with some help from our friends over at Fantasy Grounds and D&D Beyond, we're incredibly excited to announce our EC and D&D one-shot is going to stream live Sunday, September 13th at 2 p.m. over on our Twitch channel. Our characters are rolled, the tale's origin point is woven, and now all that's left is for you to come hang out with our alter egos while we gear up and get ready to dive into the depths of a dead god. What the— wait, Arthur? You said this wasn't going to be horror. Oh no, what have we signed our fantasy selves up for? Hope you can roll through, everyone. We'll see you there.